In this video, I'm going to show you how to use automation track in LMMS. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to open up LMMS, and then over here you want to open up your files or your project or template or whatever you are doing. And here you'll see your automation track. Now, if you don't have it, don't worry, but of course you can always add it with this plus button up here. Let me just remove this one really quickly. And then once you do that, once you have your automation track over here, you can then start using it by clicking over here. So you can click once or twice, and then once you click over it, usually you get this message or something else that's going to be in this context. So what I usually like to do, so I don't have to mess with these, is actually just directly change this within these other patterns or tracks over here. So let me show you what I mean. You can go over here, and what this automation will do, you can basically adjust how you want the volume to be during a specific time period. So let me show you. Now, I'll play this just very random piano, I guess you could call it beat. It's just so random. You can listen to it like this. Let me just, there we go. Okay, so you get the point. The volume stays the same, okay? And if you want to automate this using the automation track, you can just right click on the volume, click on Edit Song Global Automation, and then you'll see this little timeline. What you can do with this, you can just basically set it if you want it to be at a different volume, and this will essentially change the volume, or you can set it differently by selecting these key points like that. So we can just make like stairs, stuff like that, and this will change the volume of your song. So let me show you what I mean. This is gonna go during the time period of the sound playing, so let me just show you. So I set this, and now if I play it, look at the volume over here. It's gonna just alter, as you can see. It's just going around like this, the way I set it, okay? So, of course, you can do this with the pen as well, and you can do this anywhere inside here, really, so you can just set it however you want it to be, and then you are good to go, and you essentially are using your automation tracks, okay? So, that's pretty much it. That's how I use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.